O-Tracker track and trace the IPs. Know who is visiting your website. Know more about O-Tracker. A one-of-a-kind location awareness module to detect country, language, time zone and the currency by tracking the user's IP address. O-Tracker allows you to set up a regulation on certain countries. The tool allows marketers to keep a track on the visitors from different countries. It maps IP addresses to physical location and offers additional insights into the internet connectivity like the type of connectivity and internet service providers information. This helps the businesses improve the quality of their data and position their brand messages for better engagement. The intuitive dashboard allows users keep track of visitors from various countries. The smart tracker keeps track of the payment patterns and red flags the suspicious transactions, unusually high tips and business deals. It also assists in identity threat prevention by analyzing the suspect's browsing patterns and make human versus robot detection. The tracker allows businesses and marketers to improve the efficiency of their branding messages to reach the target audience at various locations. Key features. O-Tracker is fast, free and accurate way to find the IP address location. The tool has intuitive dashboard that offers valuable insights to the user. There are several added advantages to the product and they are listed here. Geo-fencing. Points of interest (POI) and tools. Mobile compatible. SMS gateway. Real-time tracking. Notifications and SOS alarms. History and reports. Fuel level and fuel consumption along the route in real time. Keep up with new updates with O-Tracker. A bill must production.